What's going on, family? Welcome back to another episode of Switching Gears. These door sills? No, they're not installed in my fridge. However, they are magnetic and they do illuminate. And they will be installed on Moon Knight today. Over the past couple of months, I've been getting ads from BloomCar, and I checked it out to see what it's all about. Pretty much it's a website that sells illuminating design accessories for your car, such as lights under the car, lights on your wheels, lights inside the car, like mood lights, and door sills, which I have with me today. I'm gonna be taking the stock sills off, be showing you guys how to put these on. I'm not happy with the back ones. These are the back ones, the smaller ones, because in the back, the door sills, the stock ones, are actually a little bigger and it's arced. So I put 3M tape so I can actually jolt this down. Hopefully it doesn't break, we'll see. But they look cool. I heard the battery lasts about 2 weeks. Maybe the back was a little longer because, hey, let's face it, they are censored and the back doors just don't open as much as the front door, front left, so to speak. Also gave me this cool key light for free. It's a Genesis emblem in it. You guys can tell, it's awesome. It changes different colors. I love it. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, really, except for this video. But I will be putting these on right now. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do it, but let's give Moon Knight a car wash first. Let's go. All right, guys, well, I totally fumbled the bag on the audio for this video. I'm not exactly sure why it wasn't working, but it's a good thing that we got voiceover, so here we go. You want to take your pry tool and you want to take a microfiber cloth and you want to wrap the microfiber cloth around your pry tool and use your fingernails just to create a little gap for your pry tool and microfiber cloth to get in there. And once it goes in there, you want to just wiggle the pry tool up and down so you can release the middle clips right there. And once you release that, you want to use your finger and release the clips that are on the side, and the whole thing will just pop right out. And now over here, I just wipe it because I gave it a good clean, and I added a primer. Now this primer bonds better with my 3M tape to the surface because I am using 3M tape, although it has magnets. And then I take this the seal, and the first thing I do is add the gasket on the USB-B charging port. This is where it gets charged every couple weeks or so, and you want to make sure that no water gets in there, so you want to use that gasket and put it right in there. And now I just place it where I think I want to put it right before I put the 3M tape, and I use those little slits as a reference point of where I want to add it. And after that, I add the 3M tape. I only use about 4 on this one because there's no curvature like the back ones, so there's not much force that's needed to actually hold them down. And stick with me on the video because after this, I don't even use the 3M tape. Actually, I recommend to not use the 3M tape. And here I go, I mess with the settings, and I really love static white for some reason. I'm not sure about you guys, but static white for my car looks the absolute best because I have white matte car, and once you open the doors, it's so bright and it looks the best. Now here's the back. As you see the curvature over there, it's stained because of the 3M tape that I applied in the back. I'm going to show you guys in a little bit exactly what I'm talking about. And now here I open the door and I show you exactly what it looks like in the daylight, and it's working in the daylight because it's actually getting a little bit of dusk. Now here's the 3M tape. I take it off in the back and I place it and put some pressure, and it conforms to the actual curve, but it's just not big enough to actually hide all the holes. So I do not even recommend the back ones. And here's the best part, the peeling off the sticker, and makes it look clean. And now look there, you guys can see it. It doesn't cover all of it. Here's the best part, the peeling of the stickers is so satisfactory, and most likely will never be as clean as it is right now, and that's all right. Now here's one more shot. It's getting dust, so it's actually coming on, but during the day it will not come on. If it's sunny outside, it will not come on. All right, guys, just to give you guys an update about the BloomCar sills. The front left door lasts about 2 to 4 weeks. In my case, it lasted about 4 weeks because all I did was go in and out of the car to go to work and come back from work, and that's about it. So it did last me 4 weeks. It takes about 2 to 4 weeks, I believe, the battery to last. Of course, the front left lasts a lot less than the right front. Back ones, I'm pretty much going to actually just throw them out and put in the OEM ones. I'm going to talk to BloomCar about giving me some type of discount or giving me some type of money back for the back door sills because they just did not work. I'm going to have to put the OEMs back. See, what happened was when I put in the the door sills in the bag from BloomCar. They were good for quite a while, but then the next day when I opened that door, the housing came off of the motherboard, if you can imagine, because it's an Ark, so the housing wasn't tight and just popped right out and ended up getting scratched from the door closing in and out. And because it wasn't completely closed, the connect wasn't there, and therefore it never lit up. The front left and the front right are absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to keep those. My recommendation is do not put 3M tape. This has magnets already. Most of the people are not gonna actually step on there. Like, you can't really step on there. It's not like it's a door sill for like a truck where you have to actually use it to like get on top of your seat. These door sills, nobody really steps on them because it's so low, car is so low, it doesn't make sense for you to actually step there. Therefore, I suggest that you guys leave it on magnets. Do not put no 3M tape, because what happens is when you try to take that 3M tape off, over time, over 2-3 weeks that it actually lasts, the battery lasts, the 3M tape gets so sticky that you will not be able to get the housing off, and then you're gonna have to rip a little bit of the cardboard back and that it has. And because of that, I do not suggest you put 3M tape. I am not going to be putting 3M tape anymore on them. I'm actually just going to use the magnet to just stick it there, and it should stay there pretty firmly. But that's about it, man. I'm doing this for y'all. I'm pretty much trial and error on this car, and most of the stuff has been done on YouTube, but there's not much content on G70, and therefore I'm going to be making more and more content as time goes on. So that's about it, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Please hit the notification bell. I am working hard to get you guys these videos. These are not easy. I do not have that much time in my hands, so I'm trying my best to get you guys these videos. But until then, take it easy. Peace.